Welcome to Hourglass. Let's go ahead and make a project with some tasks. First thing we want to do is go to the Projects page. On the Projects page, navigate to New Projects button. Type in the name of your project. Type in a short description. Select which client this project will be assigned to. Update the status of the project to your predefined project statuses. We'll leave this one anew. Enter your budget. Pick a start date and an end date. Press Create Project. Your new project has appeared on the project's dashboard. Let's make some tasks for your new project. Click on the project name. This takes you into the project's details page. Let's add some tasks. Press the Add Task button. First, we need a task name. Since this is a pro account, we are automatically assigned. Enter the description. Since we are on the project's details page, that project is already pre-populated. Change the status. Change the priority. Pick a start date for this task. Pick a due date for the task. Then we need to decide what the billing is going to be. You can assign a service to it, which can be done in the Services section, but for today, we will just select one of the defaults. Defaults are fixed cost, hourly rate, non-billable, or an other rate, which is a multiplier, which we'll get to in another video. For most tasks, you are going to either have fixed cost, hourly rate, or a non-billable. Fixed cost will be just that, a single dollar amount. Hourly rate will use the timer. You can define an hourly rate right here, or you can create default hourly rates in your settings. Then there's the option of non-billable, which is just that. No billing information will be added. For this task, let's do an hourly rate. Let's go ahead and input our hourly rate at $85 an hour. If we wanted to, we could go ahead and log some hours right now, or we can use the timer to log those hours. Let's use the timer. So let's go ahead and create the task. Our first task has been created. Let's create another task. To do that, instead of pressing the Add Task button, let's just go ahead and duplicate this task we've already created. So let's go ahead and rename it. Give it a description. We don't need to change the project. We'll keep the status and the priority the same. Let's go ahead and change the start date and the due date. But here we're going to change it from hourly rate to a fixed cost. And save the duplication. Now we have two tasks. Let's create one more task. But for this task, let's select a service instead of one of the billing types. Selecting a service automatically populated the predefined service to fixed cost, making the other billing types unavailable. Let's go ahead and create that task. Now we have three tasks. Let's go back to our projects page and see what that looks like. Now our new project has three tasks and is ready to be worked on. You can change your project view by hovering over these icons and choosing which layout you like the best. In Kanban view, you can just drag and drop to the next section.